Welcome to the features video of this activity walker manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of the activity walker contains the main body, a handle, and 2 legs. First, take one leg and insert it in the slot and also do the same for the other one. Insert the handle in the slot as shown in the video. The activity walker comes with a learning instrument. Unscrew the cell cap and insert 2 batteries in the slots. With the help of this instrument, the child can learn the English alphabet, numbers, and listen to musical rhymes. The child can insert the shapes through the slots to learn about different shapes. The child can also play with the toys and rattles. The books can be flipped to learn numbers, alphabet, and fruits. The rolling gears can be turned and help in developing baby's hearing ability. Twist the brake and it can be deployed as shown. Open the cap in the bottle and add water or sand to make it heavy. This can improve the motor skills of the baby.